In today's Just Start episode, let's travel to Binangonan para bisitahin ang BWG Bistro.
Welcome to BWG Bistro!
Let us meet Leia, a powerhouse entrepreneur who's already shaking things up in the business industry at only 23 years old.
Hello po, my name is Leia Arada and welcome po sa BWG Bistro.
While most people her age are still figuring out their path, Leia is redefining what it means to be a modern entrepreneur. Saan ba nagmula ang BWG Bistro?
BWG Bistro stands for Bloom with Grind. Kumbaga, nagbibigay po ako ng inspiration sa mga kabataan po na gusto magsimula or magsisimula pa lang ng kanilang negosyo po.
Leia's passion to save money while still in school led her to juggle classes and part-time work. Ang sipag.
Hobby ko na pong mag-grind. Hobby ko nang dumiskarte. Kumbaga ba, bata pa lang ako, high school, senior high. Like, kapag may pasok po ako sa school, yung allowance ko po, sinesave ko po yung iba. Kung anong nagiging pera ko po, mas napaparami ko pa po siya. Kumbaga, naghahanap po ako ng ibang income ko para mas makapag-ipon pa po. Ganun.
Then suddenly, the restaurant closed. It hurt, but Leia held her head high and heart full. She loved working there, and that love didn't fade, just because the doors did. Paano nga ba ang nangyari?
Napagdesisyonan niya po na ipasara yung restaurant niya po, kaya eto po, nag-take po ako ng risk para saluhin na lang po yung restaurant na to and ibahin po yung pangalan. Kasi kumbaga yung mga kasamahan ko po na employee po dito, napamahal na rin po sila sa akin and siyempre, nagtrabaho na po ako sa isang restaurant po nila. Kumbaga, meron na po akong experience po para alam ko na po yung kung paano patakbuhin po yung isang negosyo sa isang food industry po. And ayun, kumbaga naisip ko din po yung mga employee nga po na mawawalan trabaho, may kani-kanilang pamilya din po. Yan, kumbaga, para lahat po kami may kanya-kanyang trabaho po.
But when she was given the chance to take on more responsibility at the restaurant, everything changed. Running a restaurant meant being there before the first pot of coffee brewed and staying long after the last dish was washed.
7 a.m. ganun po yung gising ko talaga. Tapos punta po agad ako sa shop para pagpunta po ng mga employee. 9 a.m. po yung pasok nila. Asikasuhin po agad namin yung mga kailangan naming mga gamit po or mga product po na para at least simula pa lang po na meron na pong preparation po hanggang night shift po na susunod pong staff.
BWG Bistro's target customers weren't tourists or fine diners. They were the locals of Binangonan and nearby towns.
Target customer po namin dito is yung mga estudyante po kasi malapit po kami sa school, mga barangay po. Yan, mga target customer po namin, mga magkakaibigan, occasion for family. Yung price po kasi namin dito is affordable po talaga.
Tables filled up fast and the kitchen buzzed with urgency.
Busy day po namin, Friday, Saturday, Sunday po. Yun po yung maraming tao sa amin.
In her restaurant, bestsellers weren't just about numbers. They were the meals people came back for, talked about it, and shared. Ano nga ba ang binabalikan sa BWG Bistro?
Mga bestseller po namin dito is Loming Batangas, Inasal, then meron din po kami mga silog, then meron din po kami mga drinks, fruit teas, milk tea, milkshake, frap, iced coffee, and brewed coffee po yan.
The scent of smoky charcoal and tangy marinade is filling the air. Golden brown with perfectly charred edges, surely it is sizzling with flavors. At dito sa BWG Bistro, ipag-ihaw nila tayo ng juicy chicken inasal. Juicy chicken inasal. The kitchen filled with the crackle and pop of hot oil as a slab of pork belly hit the fryer, lechon kawali in the making. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. Lechon kawali. At huwag magmadali dahil ang next na iluto ng BWG Bistro ay tunay na espesyal. The wok simmered gently in the stove, filling the kitchen with the rich, mouth-watering aroma of beef caldereta. The thick chunks of beef were slow cooked until tender. It was stirred with care, tasted, seasoned, and simmered until every spoonful promised warmth, comfort, and a hint of celebration. Beef caldereta. For our refreshments naman, let us try BWG Bistro's Oreo Cookie Frap, Cookies and Cream Milk Tea, and Iced Hazelnuts. Every day before sunrise, Leia unlocked the doors to her small restaurant, ready to face whatever came her way. Owning the place had been her dream, at kasama rin ito ang mga pagsubok.
Good challenge naman po siya sa amin kasi yung mga bad comments po na nakakarating sa amin, yun po yung nagiging motivation namin para mas ma-improve pa po yung kailangan namin gawin, mas mapaganda pa po yung maibibigay namin sa mga customer, yun po. Then sa staff naman po, syempre hindi naman po may iwasang magkamali din po sila, na naiintindihan ko din naman po yung pagkakamali na yun na syempre pag nagkamali po yung isang staff, dagdag na naman po sa expenses.
How about the advantage of social media in her business?
Yung social media po para sa business po namin is malaking katulungan po para sa amin. Kasi kahit anong edad po, marunong na mag-cellphone, yan. Kumbaga nagiging advantage po para sa amin kasi dinadayo po talaga kami. Kahit sa malayong lugar po sila, nadadayo po kami dito sa BWG Bistro sa tulong po ng social media account po, yan.
BWG Bistro's journey as a small restaurant had started with a handful of recipes and a lot of growing heart. Now, with loyal customers and a growing name, alam ni Leia na simula pa lang ito ng kanyang mga pangarap.
Gusto ko din po magkaroon ng second branch na with air conditioner na po para at least malamig na po and kumbaga yung magiging target customer naman namin doon, yung mga magre-review, yung mga magmi-meeting for business, ayun po.
Leia wasn't shy, and with a bright smile, this place was her pride.
Hello po, my name is Leia Arada, and welcome po sa BWG Bistro. Dito lang po yan sa Tagpos, Binangonan, Rizal. Tapat ng Darwin Paint Center, along the highway lang po to, kaya napakadaling dayuhin.
As her business name implies, bloom with grind, bold, intuitive, and grounded beyond her years. Leia is part of a new generation of women, proving that age is just a number, and vision is everything. Tunay na isa si Leia sa inspirasyon para sa mga kabataan. Thank you to Leia Arada of BWG Bistro and to her staffs, especially to Nanay Nelly. Next time, it will be Nanay Nelly's specialty naman. Ang Lomi at Goto Batangas ang ating babalikan at i-feature. Thank you rin sa donations ng BWG Bistro at asahan na makarating ang mga ito sa mga mas nangangailangan.